What makes Friends one of the most beloved sitcom of all time? Is it the comedy, the unforgettable one-liner, or is it the emotional moments that reminds us why these six friends became family? Today we are looking back at the most heartfelt goodbye scenes from Friends moments that made millions of fans laugh, cry, and fall in love with the show all over again. And by the end, you will understand why these scenes still hit just as hard today. Over 10 incredible seasons, Friend gave us countless hilarious moments, but beneath all the jokes, there was something even stronger: real friendship, unforgettable relationship, and emotional goodbye. Whether it was someone moving away, ending a relationship, or taking a chance on love, every farewell carried year of memories. These were not just characters saying goodbye, they were saying goodbye to a chapter of their lives and sometimes to each other. Let's revisit some of the most emotional moments that define the heart of Friends. Rachel, goodbye. One of the most emotional storyline happens when Rachel prepared to move to Paris. She says goodbye to Monica, the friend who became like a sister. Their hug is not just emotional because Rachel is leaving, it's emotional because they have shared almost every important moment together. Then she says goodbye to baby Emma, promising to always he her favorite aunt. It's a beautiful reminder that family is not always about blood. Sometimes it is about the people who choose to stay by your side. Rachel also share emotional moment with Joy and the rest of the group. Everyone try to stay strong, but you can see that no one is truly ready to let her go. The scene perfectly captures something we have all experienced, saying goodbye to people who changed to our lives. Rose finally speaks his heart. Of course, the biggest emotional moment belongs to Ross. After spending years loving Rachel, making mistakes, getting back together, breaking up, and never quite finding the right timing, he finally realized one thing: he does not want to move on. He wants to. Rachel, his friend, encourage, increase, encouraged him to go after her before it's too late, leading to one of the television most iconic airport scene. Rose runs to the airport and tells Rachel exactly how he feels. I love you, please don't go. Rachel is overwhelmed. She still boarded the plane because her future in Paris matters matters to her, but once she told, he realized she never told Rose the truth. She loves him too. Then comes one of the most unforgettable moments in sitcom history. Rachel decided to get off the plane, and finally she returns to Rose that final line, "I got off the plane," is simple, but it's one of the most satisfying ending in television history. It's not just about romance, it's about choosing the plan person you truly want to build your future with. Chandler and Joy friendship. Not every emotional goodbye was about romance. The friendship between Chandler and Joy gave us some of the funniest moments in the series, but also some of the saddest. When Chandler prefers to move out, to Joy struggles more than anyone. The two friends joke around, argue over money, and even talk about the famous white dog statue. But underneath the humor is something genuine. They are not just roommates, they are brothers. Even when they avoid saying exactly how they feel, every hug and every joke makes it obvious how much they will miss each other. Sometimes the strongest friendship don't need long speeches. Monica and Chandler knew beginning the series final also makes the end of an era as Monica and Chandler leaves the apartment that had become the heart of the show. The apartment was not just a set, it was where friendship were built, relationships started, secrets were shared, and countless unforgettable memories were made. When everyone places their keys on the kitchen counter, its symbolism much more than moving out. It's the end of the chapter and the beginning of another. For a long time, fans that simple gestures is one of the hardest moments to watch. Other emotional farewells thought out the series. We also witnessed many smaller but meaningful goodbye. Rose telling Rachel he loves her before leaving or China. Monica and Chandler saying goodbye before work trip. Friendship supporting each other through breakup, career changes, and life changing decisions. Even when relationship ended, respect and love often remained. These moments showed the growing up sometimes means getting go, taking risk, and trusting that the people who matter most will always find their way back into your life. Conclusion: what made Friends special was not just its comedy, it was the emotion behind every laugh. The writers understood that saying goodbye is part of every friendship, every relationship, and every stage of life. Some goodbyes became permanent, other became new beginnings, and that exactly why these scenes continue to resonate with the audience dedicated later. No matter how many times you watch Friends, these emotional moments never lose their impact. They remind us to appreciate the people we love while they are still with us, and that sometimes the happiness and ending beginning with the courage to say exactly how we how we feel. It's if you video brought back some memories. Let me know in the comments which Friends goodbye scene made the most emotional. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and share his friend. Thank you.